The universe is all of space and time, A, and their contents. 10. It comprises all of existence, any fundamental interaction, physical process and physical constant, and therefore all forms of matter and energy, and the structures they form, from subatomic particles to entire galactic filaments. Since the early 20th century, the field of cosmology establishes that space and time emerged together at the Big Bang 13.787 plus or minus 0.020 billion years ago, 11, and that the universe has been expanding since then. The portion of the universe that can be seen by humans is approximately 93 billion light-years in diameter at present, but the total size of the universe is not known. 3. Some of the earliest cosmological models of the universe were developed by ancient Greek and Indian philosophers and were geocentric, placing Earth at the center. 12. 13. Over the centuries, more precise astronomical observations led Nicholas Copernicus to develop the heliocentric model with the Sun at the center of the solar system. In developing the law of universal gravitation, Isaac Newton built upon Copernicus's work as well as Johannes Kepler's laws of planetary motion and observations by Tycho Brahe. Further observational improvements led to the realization that the Sun is one of a few hundred billion stars in the Milky Way, which is one of a few hundred billion galaxies in the observable universe. Many of the stars in a galaxy have planets. At the largest scale, galaxies are distributed uniformly and the same in all directions, meaning that the universe has neither an edge nor a center. At smaller scales, galaxies are distributed in clusters and superclusters which form immense filaments and voids in space, creating a vast foam-like structure. 14. Discoveries in the early 20th century have suggested that the universe had a beginning and has been expanding since then. 15. According to the Big Bang theory, the energy and matter initially present have become less dense as the universe expanded. After an initial accelerated expansion called the inflationary epoch at around 10 to 32 seconds, and the separation of the four known fundamental forces, the universe gradually cooled and continued to expand, allowing the first subatomic particles and simple atoms to form. Giant clouds of hydrogen and helium were gradually drawn to the places where matter was most dense, forming the first galaxies, stars, and everything else seen today. From studying the effects of gravity on both matter and light, it has been discovered that the universe contains much more matter than is accounted for by visible objects, stars, galaxies, nebulas and interstellar gas. This unseen matter is known as dark matter. 16. In the widely accepted Lambda-CDM cosmological model, dark matter accounts for about 25.8% plus or minus 1.1% of the mass and energy in the universe, while about 69.2% plus or minus 1.2% is dark energy, a mysterious form of energy responsible for the acceleration of the expansion of the universe. 17. Ordinary, baryonic, matter.